Zen's Tea House attends multiple farmers markets throughout the greater Los Angeles area, and we're always looking to hire more people to work the cafe and farmers markets. If you're interested in the job, please email me, Fernando@zenstea.com, or go to the website, zenstea.com/employment. We are an equal opportunity, we have competitive pay, 401k benefits, and all the tea you can drink.
Look, the important thing about markets, it's about your attitude. The mindset gotta be present, not anywhere else. Gotta be present. So, yeah.
Ginger?
Yep. If you're big tea fans, we've got other samples back here if you want to try it.
Wow, this is gold milk.
Yep, right there. That's our photographer, Tatiana.
TikTok.
Can I try some of the Hawaiian fruit?
The red one right here.
Okay, thank you very much. This one?
Yep. Either they're all the same, the red one.
Hawaiian fruits made with a biscuit for high blood
Our
pressure.
golden milk. It's cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger. Thank you. I
Made
love
with
it.
turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Kind of tastes like horchata. We use vanilla almond milk. It's anti-inflammatory, so it's good for inflammation, headaches, joint pains, and cramps. Of course.
I like adding it to my coffee.
Yeah, another good thing about our golden milk, you can add it to coffee, oatmeal, protein shakes.
It tasted like it was good for oatmeal.
Yeah, great. It's great, man.
I made some more golden milk.